सब्सक्राइब कीजिए आस्क गुरुजी चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजिकल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, my name is Puneet and you're watching Ask Guruji. Today we are going to unbox a phone that has been sent to us by
Transian Holding.
Thanks to them first of all for sending this beautiful phone. And the phone that we are going to unbox is A44 Pro, which has got 2 GB of RAM and 8 megapixel camera as its main highlight. Okay, so the main features of this phone that we are going to get is
5.45-inch IPS full screen display with an 18:9 screen ratio,
Android 7.0 Nugget out of the box, 64-bit quad-core processor, smart key, which is another distinctive feature in this phone for the biker mode,
8 megapixel rear camera with the 1.4 micrometer big pixel f2.0 large aperture lens, and a 5 megapixel front camera along with the flash for the selfie lovers.
And on the side of connectivity, it supports 4G on both the SIMs, and it has got 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM, which is expandable up to 32 GBs. Fingerprint sensor on the back, on the rear side, and 2400 mAh battery and OTG support. Besides that, it also has got a free protective cover included in the box. Now,
the MRP of this phone is 7199, but now it will come with an instant cashback coupon from Itel worth ₹1800, so the effective price would be 5399.
It has been recently launched, and I'm one of those who have got this phone for the review. So again, thanks
Transian Holding
for sending me this review unit. So let's just check it out and see what we have got inside the box. It's a beautiful box, and let's just see what we have got inside it. Let's keep the box aside, and nicely packed, and on the top of the box you can see there's a phone nicely packed. Let's just keep it aside for some time. And in the box we have got some paperwork, this battery which is 24 mAh like we have said, this protective cover which has been mentioned on the box to be included. Let's just see what kind of it is. It's a transparent one, and looks quite good quality. Besides that, we've got a charger, and we have got headphones and micro USB cable. Besides that, we also got some warranty papers and this user manual which is in English and easy for new users who have got this phone for the first time, who have got a smartphone for the first time, and they can easily get around this phone by reading this manual. Okay, so now just let me wind up all this, and we'll take a look at the phone after we put the battery inside the phone. Okay, now we have put the battery inside the phone and it's ready for the boot. But before we boot it, let's just take a look at the phone, the basic body features that it has got for us. And before that, let's just speed off this protective cover. And another good thing is that Itel have included this glass guard along with this protective cover that we just removed, and we don't need to go to market instantly after buying this phone to get a glass guard for our phones, as it has already got it. And like we have already shown you, this is the protective cover that has been given by the company along with this phone. Now on the top we have got a 3.5mm jack for our headphones and for us to enjoy the music. Along with that we have got a volume rocker, and below that there is a power button. On the bottom side we've got two speakers along with the micro USB jack for charging, and on the left side we have got this button which is for the biker mode, and this is one of the distinctive features of this phone. We can switch on this biker mode whenever we are traveling through bike, and phone calls that are coming to us, those would be automatically rejected along with a message to the caller, and that's how it is. And before booting it up, let me show you what we got inside the phone. After removing this back panel, we have got a SIM card tray over here and another one over here. And another good point, like Xiaomi devices, is that we can put two SIMs along with a micro USB card, so we don't need to compromise on the memory side. Alright, that's for it, and now let's just put it up. It says Itel powered by Android. Now let's wait, as it's the first boot, so obviously it's going to take some time. And in the meantime, also set up all this device, the settings that need to be done on the first boot. Alright friends, the setting has been done, and now just take a look at the phone. The phone has got really curved screen that looks really premium, and inside the phone we have got a couple of apps which are really useful for any user. The touch of the phone is very sensitive. There seems to be no lag between the transition of the screens. All you need to do is just give a flick. Besides that, there seems to be no lag, even though there are so many apps already pre-installed in this phone. So big thumbs up. And one of the distinctive features of this phone is called change wallpaper, and the wallpaper gets changed automatically. Just press it and it gets changed. Looks beautiful, and it has really got some beautiful wallpapers inside it. Besides that, it has got the Accelerate app. You just need to press it, and all those extra apps that are standing in the memory gets cleared. So that's for it, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and in case you already did, please do subscribe the channel and like this video. We're going to show you a detailed review after using this phone for some days, and that was the unboxing video, and we'll check it out, the camera and other features of this phone, and give you a detailed review about it in the next video. So till then, goodbye.